Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Potato is an essential ingredient of our meals. We add potatoes to almost every dish like biryani, chaat, samosas, parathas, pakoras, tarkari, etc. The good thing about growing potatoes at home is that you don't need to buy potato seeds for growing potatoes. Instead, you can buy a few small-sized potatoes and use them as seeds. For sowing potatoes, have small-sized potatoes and store them in a cooler and dark place. You can use a refrigerator for this purpose as well. Store the potatoes in such a way is helpful in the growth of small green shoots on the potato surface. These green shoots give potatoes a quick start in the growing process of potatoes. Dig holes 4 to 6 inches deep. Sow the sprouted potatoes in that hole. If the potatoes are big, cut them into small pieces with at least 1 or 2 green shoots. Always keep sprouted side up in the planting hole. The space between two potatoes should be 10 to 12 inches. Then cover with 2 inches of soil and pat down gently. The soil should be well drained. The potato is a winter crop. It grows best during cooler months. Plant the potatoes from January to March and harvest between March to June. Potatoes take 12 to 20 weeks to grow. Each seed potato can give 3 to 6 potatoes. There are different ways of growing potatoes which you can adopt according to your own space. So make the best choice before you get started. These methods are hilled rows, straw mulch, raised beds, wood boxes, wire cylinders, polypropylene bags, garbage bags. Potatoes grow best in full sun. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Potatoes needs 1 to 2 inches of water. Avoid watering the potatoes daily if they don't need it. The best temperature for potato crops is around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The best fertilizer for potatoes should contain higher levels of potassium and phosphorus than nitrogen.
Thanks for watching.